Every Amazon brand owner wants more sales, but here's the hard truth. Almost everyone is overcomplicating it. There are only two major levers that are going to grow your Amazon sales. And if you're stuck under $1 million a year or you're stuck at a plateau, odds are you've been pulling the wrong ones or ignoring it completely. Hey, my name is Nick Hall. I'm an entrepreneur and expert in the Amazon space, helping better for you CPG brands scale and win on Amazon. If you want to learn more and grow your brand on Amazon the right way, from strategy to execution, you're in the right place. Don't you forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right in. To make this simple, you have two major ways that you can grow your sales on Amazon. Number one, increase your traffic. Number two, improve your conversion rate. That's it. Every strategy, every tactic, every Amazon hack you've ever heard of fits into one of those two buckets. And if the traffic goes up and the conversion improves, your sales go up, period. You make more money, everyone's happy. When we talk about traffic on Amazon, we know the two drivers that there are. Paid traffic, which is Amazon's PPC, sponsored product, sponsored brand, sponsored display, DSP, go through the list of them, right? And there's the organic traffic, Amazon SEO. Unfortunately, this is not 2015 anymore. You are required to pay more money. The reason why, Amazon is a public company, they want to make more revenue and more profit. They are going to require that to be part of the solution here. Most brands are going to lean too hard into one or ignore the other. Paid traffic is going to give you the speed and the control, okay? You can turn it on right away. Organic traffic gives you the leverage and a long-term margin. This is where people talk about tacos, TACOS. Tacos is the total ACoS. This is your total amount of spend, overall total sales, not just your ad sales. So you look at your spend, $1,000, $2,000 made on PPC, $10,000 in total. That's a 50% ACoS and a 10% tacos. This is where the best brands use both intentionally. And let's be real, Amazon PPC is still the fastest, most controllable way to grow your sales. While I wish that everything was free in life and that we didn't have to pay for anything and that we could go back to the 2015 days, the reality is things cost money. Things are costing more money, so you've got to be strategic. You can make these meaningful changes in less than 24 hours, not 3 to 6 months, like a product launch. But here's where brands screw it up. They treat PPC like it's a spending problem. Everyone gets worried and they stop spending. They spend in the wrong areas. You've got to make sure that your ads are not just there to drive sales. They're there to tell you what the market actually wants. Look deeper into the keywords. What are the main words that you're looking for that work really well? Which ones do not work well? Go through your reviews, do an analysis on these. This will help you to create a better product over and over again. The biggest mistakes I see this constantly. You're setting up your ads the wrong way. You're structuring the campaigns in a way that is not built for scale. You're running ads only during these launches or big event days or times that you feel like it is working. You turn off these losing campaigns way too early, or you don't turn them off at all. There's no management of the ads. You're ignoring video ads entirely. You're optimizing strictly for ACoS rather than your goal of either profit or scale. Your PPC should always be on, even if budgets are controlled. If you disappear, your rankings are going to disappear with you, I promise. Amazon SEO is where most brands are living in the past. SEO is not just set it up, forget it, and hope Amazon figures it out. Amazon's constantly changing. Your competition is changing constantly. Your SEO needs to evolve monthly, not yearly. This is why big companies start to get overpassed by small companies, because they're constantly making changes. They're constantly looking at the new thing that they need to be doing better, where big companies just get stuck in the data and say, we built it to this, now we're stuck, we're staying here. The real goal of SEO is not indexing for thousands of keywords. It's this, identifying your keywords and striking distance and pushing them to page one. Those are the keywords where ads start getting cheaper, your organic sales are growing, your blended margins are improving. That's how your SEO is actually going to pay off. Now let's go in a little bit deeper and let's talk about the lever that most brands ignore, conversion. You can drive all the traffic in the world, but if your listing doesn't convert, you're lighting money on fire. People think that when I put my product up, that's going to be the conversion rate that I get. In the early days, your conversion rate is going to be lower. You don't have reviews. It may not be fully in line with everything. You think that you know what you're doing, but the reality is consumers are about to start telling you what you need to be doing. Do not just listen to one person, listen to a group of people. If you get one bad review, it could just be a Karen online. If it's multiple people, don't take it personally, fix the issue. Your listing needs the following: a scroll stopping main image, exactly what your product is with the benefits. When we looked at some of these, I'm going to show you an example of one that does a really good job. Check this one out here, right here. Physician's Choice. Immediately you see fiber gummies. I have no idea what anything else says on this. It's something with doctor. This is gummies. This is a raspberry lemon. This is a raspberry lemon flavored gummy. Fiber should be the biggest thing on this. Make it big, make it obvious, make it where people know. If I was them, the thing I would change on here is make this bigger, make it more well known, and do fiber even bigger than the gummies, because we already know it's gummies here. Now, if you're going retail, it's going to be a little bit different. These are huge things. You want to have supporting images that educate and sell well. You want to have clear, benefit-driven copy. So as we go through this, you can see very quickly they go through advantage, right? Prebiotic fiber per serving, delicious taste, advantage. Developed with doctors to support fiber intake, digestion, regularity, right? And the gummy world, you got to be very cautious here. Soft, chewy gummies. Guess what? When you look at competition, they go after hard or sticky gummies. So they're going after that. Tastes like a fresh summer day, refreshing tart with a hint of sweetness. More cups than 6. Wow. I didn't realize that was 5 grams of fiber was more than 6 cups of spinach. Put these factors in there to make sure that you can actually be winning. Reviews, they still matter a lot. But here's the reality in 2026. Amazon's cracked down hard. If someone is pitching aggressive review tactics, run now. Focus on Vine, customer experience, and product quality. When you start thinking through any way that you can beat Amazon's system, they've already thought through it 10 times deeper than you have. They will look at your category and figure out the average review rate for these products. And if you are showing a 6% review rate when everyone else is a 1.5% review rate, they will flag your account. And it is the quickest way to get banned. I am very serious about this. Do not play with this. Trust the compounds, shortcuts. Don't. You want to know the fastest way to grow your Amazon revenue? It's not your hacks. It's not tricks. It's adding the right products. Selling more products to the same customers is almost always easier than squeezing blood from one ASIN. But do this strategically. Do not go out there and just launch randomly. The brands that are winning on Amazon stop asking what tactics should I try next and start asking which levers am I under pulling, traffic or conversion. And that mindset shift alone will put you ahead of 90% of the sellers. If you found this helpful, please connect with me on LinkedIn. My website will be in the description below. Send me a DM if you're a brand owner trying to scale on Amazon. Always happy to help however I can. We'll see you in the next video.